Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko fans will be happy that Nana Yamposa is bringing changes to the club. The new Asante Kotoko CEO met with the President of the Republic of Ghana at the Jubilee House as he calls on the President to lend his support to the club, and also talked about how Asante Kotoko can influence the Ghana Premier League. Let's hear.
Fair enough. So, Mr. Chairman, the members of the Board of Directors and management, you're all very welcome to the seat of the presidency of our country, to Jubilee House. And to say it's a very happy day for me. We've had some bad news in the country, as you know, in the last day or two. But this is a happy day for me. I'm happy that today, as president, I had the opportunity to meet the leadership of Asante Kotoko. I've been following this side since I was 5 years old. I remember some of the players, many of you may never even have heard of them at the time, but we grew up with them in Ghana. We grew up with of course, Gago, Dogomoro, Salifu, Kwabafo. These were the names when we were young people, the idols of football that we followed. And they made Ghana football. Initially Goku's football, when it became Ghana football, and then laid the foundation for Ohinijan's Black Stars, Babayara, and the others. So Kotoko has a very special, cherished, enviable role in Ghanaian sports and development. So if today now the decision has been made to find a way of really reviving it and bringing back the old glories, I'm 100% in support of that. I'm a bit surprised that the people from the Ministry of Sports are not here with you. Were they informed about this visit? Are you aware?
You informed them?
Yes.
You informed them?
Yeah, I spoke to the minister.
And he didn't think it was necessary to be here? Well, we need because we are from this discussion, we need to sit down with them and see where the things are feasible. And then also, from you yourselves, you have some very important business people on the board of this, apart from your spokesperson and the chairman. There's some very powerful business elements amongst you. So we should be also hearing from you what plans you have also to develop the financial base of the club. I think that the participation in the CAF competition, clearly, to the extent that's possible, government should find some way of assisting the club to be able to do so. But that can obviously be, can only be temporary measures over a period of time, a year or two or something. Ultimately, the club itself, like football clubs all over the world, generating money for keeping the club going. In our circumstances here, the state can be of some assistance, no two ways about it. I don't know how FIFA rules accommodate that, but definitely we can find some way of assisting. So I said I'm surprised that the Minister for Sports and officials of the ministry were not here. It would have made an easier discussion. But it's a discussion I intend to pursue. I'll definitely speak to the minister, and we will put our heads together to see what can be done to assist. I think it's in the interest of Ghana that we should have a strong participation. And I don't think that there's a club better fitted to fly the flag of Ghana than Asante Kotoko. It's been the most successful football club in our history. And I'm really happy to see the caliber of people who have been assembled and who are around this table to begin the revival of Kotoko. I think that Akufo, as usual, has proved to be very astute in the choice of people that he has made, and it's something that we should support him and support you to make a success of it. So thank you very much for coming. The discussions will not end here today. You will hear from me either directly or through the sports ministry, and we'll sit down and try and work out some mechanism for being able to help the club and begin again the new journey of Asante Kotoko. It's very important. I'm excited by the idea. It's difficult to see how Ghanaian football can succeed unless Kotoko succeeds. That has been the story from the beginning, and I'm sure that will be the story of the future as well. So you're welcome.
That's it.